Hi, this is Dr. Raesz with Advanced Chiropractic, and today we're going to go over something we call the three-legged stool. It's the three most important things you need to do to get the best results with your chiropractic care. So on the first leg of the three-legged stool is get your adjustments in rhythm. So keep your chiropractic appointments and get your adjustments in rhythm. The second leg of the stool is to be doing your home rehab, your home exercises, your home dinner roll on a consistent, regular basis. And the third leg of the stool is to break bad habits. So I'm going to go over a few of the bad habits that a number of patients do that we need to start working on eliminating. That way we can get the best results with the chiropractic care. One of the bad habits that we all could improve on is using our cell phones in this position. So if you're using your cell phone and your head is in this downward position like this, then over time, it actually starts to decrease the natural neck curve. So the neck curve should be at a 42-degree angle like this, but over long periods of time of using tablets or iPhones or cell phones with your head in this position, the neck curve will actually start to straighten out. And so I've actually seen over the last few years more and more younger patients with a loss or a reversal of the neck curve, which can have a major impact in a negative way on your overall health and wellness. So when using a cell phone, it's best to use it at eye level, or if you're going to be on it for an extended period of time, to be holding it up where you're actually looking up a little bit, or at least looking in a neutral position. Another bad habit to break is if you don't keep your nose and your toes pointed in the same direction when you do things. So your spine is strongest whenever it is straight and your nose and your toes are pointed in the same direction and your spine is upright or erect. So for example, if you're sleeping, best position to sleep in is on your back where your nose and your toes are pointed in the same direction. Second best position is on your side, as long as you have good support with the pillow so your head isn't like this, but your nose and your toes are pointed in the same direction. The worst position to sleep in is actually on your stomach, because if you sleep on your stomach, you have to turn your head like this, and your nose and your toes are not pointed in the same direction. And the same goes for lifting. So if you're going to be lifting something, you want your nose and your toes pointed in the same direction, and you don't want to just bend at the back. You want to use your legs and bend at the knees, and then that way whenever you lift something, you're using the muscles in your legs versus using all the muscles in your back to lift up the object. Another bad habit to break is if you have a desk job or if you're driving to somewhere, then you want to make sure you get up frequently and stretch out. So the recommended time of work between getting up is 30 to 60 minutes. So if you're at your desk for longer than 60 minutes, it's really time to take a break, get up, do some stretches, get the blood flowing. You're going to make sure you're moving every 30 to 60 minutes at work or if you're driving on a road trip. So this is Dr. Raesz with Advanced Chiropractic. If you have any questions, you can call the number below. And we can help answer those questions. Or at your next appointment, you can ask one of us about these bad habits, and we can get a game plan on helping you to overcome these challenges. Or if you want, we have a handout which goes over more bad habits that people commonly do that we can work on overcoming over time. That way you can get the best results with your chiropractic care. Now remember, the three-legged stool is get your chiropractic adjustments in rhythm, do your home exercises, and break bad habits. Have a blessed day.